there's a lot of research that has shown that depending on where you collect a sample from on the scalp, whether you collect it from here or here or here, for certain drugs you can get very different levels. For the same person from here or here, there can be 10, 15-fold differences in the levels. So it's crucial that we are consistent as best we can be in terms of where we collect the sample. The first question is, because people want to know, is this a 3-month period? Is it a 6-month period? When did it start? When did it finish? It's really important for them to know where that is. So we have to collect chain of evidence. The industry presently don't tend to collect chain of evidence. It's assumed that if you go out and collect a sample from somebody, well, our collectors always collect it from here. And how close is that to the scalp? Did you leave half a centimetre on the scalp? A centimetre and a half? Studies have shown that it can vary anywhere from nothing left at all, almost a shave, all the way to about 2.5 centimetres. So when we cut it, before we take it off the scalp, you have to make sure it's clamped completely. So the orientation of all the various hair strands together remain in the same place. Now, again, this has been oversimplified as the testing has, in that, get hold of the hair, they'll cut it, but they'll tie it or put it into foil, fold the foil up, put it in a bag. It will go back to the laboratory in that way. The laboratory open it out, they get the hair out. By now, the hair is in a completely different orientation. And if you have periods when drug use occurred, and periods when drug use didn't occur, you've now mixed all that together. So the interpretation of that is going to be entirely different than if you've been able to keep it in a correct orientation.
Recent developments in hair strand testing, such as the use of hair dye, which affects the ability to really correctly analyse results from hair strand testing, has meant that there are now other forms of testing which are used in conjunction with hair strand testing when needed.